Do you wash the fruit before eating? Residue on unwashed fruits is like a hidden intruder, invading our bodies silently like an undercover sugar. In the guise of nature's sweetness, it can deceive, a potential threat that's hard to perceive. On unwashed fruits, it may dwell unseen, a coating of chemicals and pesticides, quite unclean, innocent looking, but it could pave the way for health concerns that could come into play. Those residues can seep deep within our systems, where they linger and begin to wreak havoc on our well-being, silently, like sugar's impact on health that we rarely see. Just as sugar in a baby's brain spells ADHD, and in adults' minds, dementia's shadow we see. In our blood, it's known as diabetes, a dangerous foe. Unwashed fruits may harbor threats we should know. So, like the 8 times stronger grip of sugar's lure, compared to cocaine, it's essential to be sure to wash your fruits, to keep these threats at bay, and protect your health in a mindful way. Remember, nature's gifts are best when clean and pure. For unwashed fruits may have hidden dangers, for sure. Take care of your body, your most precious treasure, and keep the enemy at bay, for your own good measure.